Every single customization shown throughout this series, the excerpt text, the custom post type, the child themes styles runs through exactly one real mechanism underneath, hooks. The real, unmodified post title before any filter has touched it. The exact same real post, every title on the site now genuinely renders in shouting caps, proof the underscore title filter runs on every single display. The real, new post's title is also genuinely transformed here, filters apply everywhere the value is displayed, not just the front end. The real hooks demo plugin, genuinely just to hooked functions, 3 lines each, now actively running on every request. The moment the plugin deactivates, titles genuinely return to normal, real, immediate proof the filter was the only thing changing them. Genuinely inactive again, its real code stops running immediately, the same real action filter mechanism every other plugin and theme in this series relies on. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mockup. One real action logging a real event, one real filter transforming real data, the entire hook system visible in its real effects. Try it yourself, write one add_action and one add_filter of your own and confirm both take effect.